sweeties. Welcome back to our English world. Last class, I told you to prepare a weekly plan. Everyone did? Okay, good. In our story, Sachin and Bruno are good friends. Who is Sachin? Sachin is a boy. Who is Bruno? Bruno is Sachin's pet animal. Isn't it? Yes. Bruno is Sachin's pet animal. Bruno is a puppy. One day, Bruno ran out of the house. One day, Bruno ran out of the home. Sachin and his father searching Bruno everywhere. Sachin and his father searching Bruno everywhere. Sachin and father reached a park. Sachin liked the park very much. Sachin and father reached a park. Sachin liked the park. Children, will Sachin find Bruno in the park? Will Sachin find Bruno in the park? No. Then who did Sachin and his father meet? Who did Sachin and his father meet? Can you say? Yes, a boy in the park. Is it right? Yes. Sachin and his father met a boy in the park. Then, what did they ask? What did they ask? Sachin and his father asked about Bruno the puppy. Sachin and his father asked about Bruno. Where is Bruno now? Where is Bruno now? Let's see. Okay. Look at the picture. Have you seen such balloons? Have you seen such balloons? Oh, yes. Okay. Where have you seen them? Where have you seen them? On the festival ground? Okay, good. Have you gone to the festival with parents? Have you gone to the festival with parents? Yes. Okay, good. Then, can you say name of some festivals? Can you say some festivals name? What are they? Onam, Christmas, Holi, Ramzan, Diwali are some festivals. Okay. Have you seen a balloon man? Say yes or no. Have you seen a balloon man? Yes. Some of them says no. Look here. This is a balloon man. This is a balloon man. Balloon man who sells balloon called balloon man. A man who sells balloon called balloon man. A man who sells balloon called balloon man. Do all the balloons look the same? Do all the balloons look the same? No. Do all the balloons look the same color, same shape? Do all the balloons look the same color and same shape? No. They are different in color and shape. The balloons are different in color and shape. Then, can you say the names of these balloons? Can you say the names of these balloons? Yes. Apple balloon, snake balloon, monkey balloon, bird balloon. Okay, good. Children, our Bruno is going after someone. Look here. Our Bruno is going after someone. Who is he? Yes, he is a balloon seller. He is a balloon man. He is a balloon man. Bruno is going after balloon man. Bruno is going after balloon man. What is Bruno jumping at? What is Bruno jumping at? Bruno wants a balloon. That's why he jumped. Bruno wants a balloon. He wanted to play with balloon. Bruno wants a balloon. That's why he jumped. Children, now I read the passage. Listen here. Oh, how beautiful! Bruno looked at the balloons. The balloons were bouncing up and down. Bruno tried to catch them. Bang! A balloon burst. Bow, bow! Bruno ran away frightened. Once again. Oh, how beautiful! How beautiful! Beautiful means Manoharam. How beautiful! Bruno looked at the balloons. Bruno looked at the balloons. The balloons were bouncing up and down. The balloons were bouncing up and down. The balloon man holds the balloons. The balloons were bouncing up and down. Bouncing means കുതിക്കുന്നു. Up and down. Bouncing up and down. Bruno tried to catch them. Bruno tried to catch them. Bruno tried to catch the balloons. Then, bang! A balloon burst. A balloon burst. Burst means പൊട്ടുക. A balloon burst. Pow, pow! Bruno ran away frightened. Our Bruno tried to catch the balloon. Then a balloon burst. Then our Bruno frightened. Frightened means പേടിച്ചു പോയി. He ran away. Bruno ran away. Our Bruno ran away. Once again, I read this. Oh, how beautiful! Bruno looked at the balloons. The balloons were bouncing up and down. Bruno tried to catch them. Bang! A balloon burst. Bow, bow! Bruno ran away frightened. Okay, my dears. Why was Bruno frightened? Why was Bruno frightened? Yes, he tried to catch a balloon. Bruno tried to catch a balloon. Suddenly, a balloon burst. Bruno frightened. Then Bruno ran away. Isn't it? Yes. Will Sachin meet the balloon man? Will Sachin meet the balloon man? Maybe our Sachin meet the balloon man. Okay. Okay, my dears. Your today's activities are following. First one, complete the word verb. Second one, the following new words write down on your English notebook 5 times each. The words are beautiful, looked, bouncing, catch, burst, frightened. Once again, beautiful, looked, bouncing, catch, burst, frightened. Your third activity, write the different types of balloons. Write the different types of balloons with the help of the picture. What are they? Apple balloon, snake balloon, monkey balloon, bird balloon, etc. Okay. Okay, my sweeties. Today's English class is winding up. Stay home, stay safe. See you in the next class. Have a nice day. Thank you. Bye bye.